What's up, what's going on guys? It's Migs with PolarPro and we have another video for you guys this week. We recently just got the new DJI Ronin S and honestly, it's been one of my favorite gimbals to bring with me to our travels and shoots. We actually brought it to Oregon with us and shot the last couple of videos that we posted. So in this video, I have the lovely Pernella to help me over here demonstrate a few transitions that you guys can do with your Ronin S. So let's get this video started. So the first transition is called the strafe block. It's a great way to change scenery by using foreground objects to change location from one place to the other. And one quick note to keep in mind is you have to have a beginning shot and an end shot to make these work. So this transition is called the push in and the pull out, where you have to push into your subject, covering the frame, and then pulling out onto a different location. This move is called the Skyfall. It's a great way to reveal your subject by tilting your gimbal up to the sky and back down onto a different location. So this is one of my favorite moves that you can do with your Ronin S. I like to call it the Inception because of the movie, but you can call it the axis roll. So to do this shot, you have to set your Ronin S to flashlight mode and roll your camera 360 degrees to get that very dynamic shot for your transition. So you see a lot of these shots in music videos because it's a very unique and dynamic way to transition from one place to the next. So this last transition is called the whip pan, which uses motion blur to connect two clips together seamlessly. So you do this move by whipping your Ronin at the end of the first clip and whipping it in the beginning of the second clip and connecting those two clips together in post. A little trick I like to do is pulling the Ronin slightly for the same effect, but with a different style. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned a thing or two about in-camera transitions with your Ronin S. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do, and we'll see you in the next one.